Hey guys, thanks for coming to our channel, Nervous Poltergeist. We got Seth here, we got Ty, me, Brian, obviously. We have a special guest here today. His name's Jay. He's decided to be on camera or film for us today. Go ahead and show your face, man.
What's up?
Alright guys, so we're gonna go out and check this abandoned house out. Let's go.
Oh shit. Oh! We got burned.
Oh, damn.
Okay, that's cool.
Damn, dude, there's a little couch and a chair in there.
Holy sh! Look at that spider.
Holy
Get down camera.
Okay.
Where? I don't see it.
Right there, man.
What is that?
I can't tell.
Dude, that thing is huge.
Might be a wolf spider, man.
There we go.
Little crawl space, man.
It's like a little closet. Oh, get down.
Yeah, man, get that on camera too. Basically, you know, everything. This is an old fridge, man. There's like
We got
bird's
bird
nest started up in here, man. Oh, let's check the drawer out. Get up in the living room.
Anything?
Nope.
More bird nests.
That's bird.
Bugs. What's in here?
Not much. I mean, we got another room over here. It's empty though.
Oh, damn.
Yes, sir. Okay. Are there stairs anywhere?
I don't know. Let's go check.
Got a fireplace. Yeah, I'll board up. Nothing in there.
Here's stairs, guys.
Stairs? Alright.
Yeah, man.
Wait, is that no...
Dude, what is that? Oh, nothing. Hey, give me a light.
That was like an old record player.
Oh, it's a bird.
Oh, damn, there's another bird, man.
More birds,
Hey,
alright.
is that an Oriole?
I don't think it's an Oriole. No.
I don't know. What kind of bird is that?
No, I'm not good with birds.
Oh, lights, lights!
Wait.
Alright,
Okay,
good.
What in?
Oh, where'd he go?
Oh shit.
Shit. Oh, it's so cute.
He's scared. Alright.
Oh, there's two of them now.
Oh,
Okay, cool.
what's in here?
Anything back there?
No. Just,
Another empty room.
hang on. Is that another car?
Are you showing
No, that's right.
Window.
Alright, guys. There's nothing in here.
Bird.
But we can see through the attic.
Oh, cool.
Alright,
There
let's
is
work
an
our
attic.
way up, man.
There is
No,
an
there is an attic. That's awesome.
Alright, so. Hey, more bird. Oh, shit, look at all the nests.
Oh, damn.
Oh, fuck.
Whoa, where'd he come from?
Oh, damn,
Oh.
there's so many.
This, well, we know that this house is occupied by the birds.
I wish I could catch one.
That one's in his
dude, I
nest
would
right
bother
there.
with it.
Oh, over here. Another empty. More birds.
Nothing but birds and empty
Look
rooms.
at all them. There's like one, two, three.
Oh my god! Oh my god, dude, look at all the birds.
Oh, shit. They're all over.
That's
Okay,
crazy.
well, we got stairs.
Oh shit. Ah, oh shit.
Okay,
Attacked by
so-
birds.
Again.
How are the stairs?
Ah, bird touched me. This stairs are pretty good.
Oh my god.
Bunch of shit up here.
Golly, Ron.
Shit.
Oh, shit. Stinks. Oh god. Ugh.
Alright.
It's a small house, but full of birds.
That's
What
pretty
the-
cool.
That's a.
Whoa!
Oh, what is that? It's a big
Sterling
bird.
silver, I think. I get those all the time in my attic, in my house.
Alright, so we got a
Alright.
bunch of birds living here.
Oh, damn! Oh. Alright, enough with the
Let's get out of here.
birds, man.
We're disturbing
Oh,
them.
dude, there's a dead one right there.
Oh,
it's
that's
a
what I stepped
baby.
on.
Little baby.
Poor thing. Alright, guys, let's get it.
Yeah, let's get out of here. Don't step on the baby birds.
Oh, damn, that's a big ass baby.
Oh,
What's that noise?
it's the attic. Dude, turn off strobe.
I didn't know what, I don't.
Birds everywhere.
Alright.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
is that really all there is to this?
I guess.
There's gotta be a basement. There's always a basement.
Dude, the light keeps on the stroke itself.
Holy
That looks like all the house. You want to end it then?
I mean, we have the EVP. You guys want to do an EVP too?
Do you have it with you?
It's in the car. Let me go get it real quick. I'll
Alright.
talk to the camera, I guess. Oh, I need that C to get to the car.
Talk to the camera. What are we supposed to say? I don't know.
We're in a house full of birds.
It's a house full of birds, alright. That's where there's gotta be a basement somewhere.
Probably around along the
It
outside.
really looks like a cellar door there, though. Like right there, just looks like.
It really does. Doesn't it look like it's like covering something?
Like right there, the seam looks like it's popping up.
I don't know. It's something.
Those birds are awesome.
They're still on the wall right over there. There's one above the window.
Alright, guys, I'm here.
You want to do it in here? Yeah, let's do it over here. So,
Alright.
or away from the windows at least.
Oh, shit.
Damn, we can't even hear them.
I know. Alright. I'm gonna turn the volume down before I turn this one because it's gonna be really loud.
Yeah.
Just gonna scare all the birds in the house.
No, not too bad. If I would have turned it on the way it was, it would have.
Yeah, they all come swarming at us like I don't know what. It's already a hit.
Yeah. Is there anybody here tonight? Can you please tell us your name? That's all that part of it goes. It's really weird. Is there anybody here tonight? Can you please tell us your name? I heard something.
Why isn't it so? Why isn't it?
I don't know why it's so low.
The batteries.
Did it just die?
No, it's saying it's got a full battery.
The flashlight's cutting them off.
That was weird.
It's not getting any louder.
I know, but it turned off. That was weird, man.
Yeah, the flashlight went all staticky and stuff.
I know. What? Is there anybody here tonight? Can you please tell us your name?
Maybe we should go up where the beds are.
Nah, too close to windows.
Yeah, too close to the windows.
Before I had too close call.
We can go out here.
In the living room. I mean, we got the windows right there, but
Just keep the light this
Face
way.
away from the window.
If there's anybody here tonight, can you please tell us your name? We're not here to hurt you. We just want to get to know you a little bit. Are you a boy or are you a girl? Do you hear that? Hang on. Let me turn it off real quick. Oh, it's that.
There we go.
Can you please tell us your name? I heard hello.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what your name is? We're not here to hurt you. We just want to get to know you a little bit. Can you tell us what your name is, please?
It's a high-pitched whine.
I hear a whining too.
Do you guys hear that?
Yeah, I keep hearing it. I keep hearing something like at the stairs.
Should we leave?
I don't think we're gonna get anything from them. What is that noise?
I don't know. I keep hearing that noise too.
I think it's time to go. That's weird. Like it's a high jingling noise or something.
Yeah.
I wonder if it'll come up in the video.
The spider's still there.
Oh shit.
All right. Well, thank you for your time.
Yep, thank you.